Hello, hello. Today is 14th of December 2023 and I will shoot this video very quickly. I shoot a video but didn't record it, so I will make it shorter this time. I'm driving now to my home, and I'm coming from the welding shop where I weld all day long, 10 hours. I burned through 100 sticks, and this is pretty impressive. I wanted to see if I can do it, and I did it. So that was a good, productive day. And why I'm saying this, because I discover a pattern. So I mentioned you about welding school, because you see, it's so important to have somebody to tell you what to do in any moment. You have instant, not gratification, but like these generations they are used to. But you have the opportunity to ask questions and get instant response from the instructors or whoever is there. So I will do the same with you on my school, which is called Focus Double Time University, and you will find it on the app called Skool. It's the most successful app for entrepreneurs and great people. And if you join me, I will teach you like I will teach my younger me. So this is a big advantage. Don't miss this app. It's a big opportunity, and some things in life, they come only once. So this is one in a lifetime opportunity. Join now, join my university, Focus Double Time University, and I will teach you how to have success in life, how to shorten the way of become a champion in at least half. I promise you, you will save about 25 years of your life. I am 54. I went through life and I bumped my head of all problems and stuff, and I will teach you how to avoid that and have a better life and to achieve success faster. How to make money, because you know, when you are young, you don't know where to go, what to do, and I will be your mentor, I will be your guide, I will be your teacher, I will tell you everything. Okay? So join now, join my university, Focus Double Time University. Stay safe, see you inside. Take care.